have both spoken to Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami. They have taken stock of the flood and landslide situation in the state and have assured full central support. That's the latest information that we are gathering. A cloudburst in Dehradun. Last night flooded homes, shops and an IT park. The Tamsa River is swelling and the Tapkeshwar Mahadev temple was also inundated. Pragya, my colleague, is joining us with the latest. The Prime Minister and the Home Minister have taken stock of the situation in Uttarakhand. A cloudburst yesterday, Pragya, has led to devastation. Homes have been flooded, shops have been inundated. The IT park is also hit. Take us through what's the latest update and the central assurance that has been given by the Prime Minister and the Home Minister.
Absolutely, and the situation is very grave, and this is exactly the reason why Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah, both of them have spoken to Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Mr. Pushkar Singh Dhami. In fact, both of them assured all kind of assistance from the centre, be it NDRF or the relief operation. And Mr. Dhami has also, expressed his gratitude, and he also assured the people that with the centre's help, there will be a smooth relief operation in the state. But having said that, the cloudburst has actually made the situation very grave, and also the continued rainfall that is happening in Uttarakhand, that has also inundated many of the areas. Priority of the government right now is to ensure that there is no loss of lives, and also people will be rescued, should be rescued in time. That is the main priority. They should be given ration. There should be a relief operation that should begin, and in fact centre has assured all sort of help that can be required by the state. And in fact it is to this effect that both Prime Minister and Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah has spoken to CM, because they also need to know what kind of situation really is existing. Prime Minister has also taken a tour of Uttarakhand and all flood affected areas recently, and he knows what the people are going through, and he is also working on a plan on how to ensure that there is minimum loss of lives and also of the property. But having said that, there was a cloudburst, and this is all natural disaster, but to save the people's life, to ensure that they get a relief on time and they are rescued from this flood-like situation on time is the priority, and centre has extended all kind of help, all kind of support for such relief operations.